It's a new day for us in Ekiti, and I must start by thanking the Almighty God who has sovereignty over the nations of the world. He changes the times and the seasons. He removes kings and sets up kings. To him be all the glory for the conclusion of a major milestone on the path to leadership succession and a new administration in Abia State. The June 18, 2022 Ekiti gubernatorial election was peacefully conducted in the state with a large turnout of eligible voters who freely voted for their preferred candidates and parties. Yesterday, Ekiti spoke, and your collective voice was heard. It was unequivocal and unprecedented, history-making in many ways. Earlier today, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, officially announced that my party, the All Progressive Congress, APC, secured the majority of votes and fulfilled all conditions, effectively affirming your choice and returning me, Biodun Oyebanji, as your governor-elect, and Chief Mrs. Monisa Diafuye as your deputy governor-elect. I, together with Chief Mrs. Afuye, use this opportunity to express our gratitude to everyone who voted for us. We also recognize all those who did not vote for us, but whose participation in this important democratic ritual of the election enriched the process, especially with the gracious manner in which we accepted the outcome and helped maintain the peace during and after the exercise. We are hopeful that though we did not have your vote at this time, we will hand your trust and cooperation as we begin the journey of keeping Ekiti State working. Ekiti, we are grateful for the privilege you have given to us to bear your sacred mandate at this crucial time in history. We recognize that on October 16, 2022, when, by the grace of God, we will be inaugurated into office, we are expected to immediately start to build on the legacies of those who came before us and honorably govern our state in trust for the generations coming after us. It is a duty we campaigned for and accept with all solemnity and responsibility. In keeping with our covenant with you, we will work together with you to keep Ekiti working. I thank all other aspirants and their respective political parties for the dignified way they carried out their campaigns and for contributing to the credibility of the process. I will be seeking audience with you all in the coming days to benefit from your wealth of ideas on how to develop Abia State, to complement our vision and blueprint for the accelerated development of Ekiti. You have all performed creditably and earned places of honor in the history of Abia State. I thank our leaders, our dear President, His Excellency Mohamed Buhari, GCFR, the National Chairman of our great party, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, as well as our presidential candidate for the 2023 general election, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for this well-deserved victory for our party you supported us to achieve, and which hopefully signals what to expect in Osun next month and the general elections next year. I thank all members of the National Working Committee of our party. I thank the Progressive Governors Forum, the chairman of Ekiti State Gubernatorial Campaign Council, HE Governor Atiku Bagudu of Kebbi State, as well as all members of the council for graciously supporting us to achieve this crucial victory. I thank our leaders, His Excellency Otunbani Adebayo, CON, Honorable Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, and former Governor of Ekiti State, His Excellency Dr. Kayode Fayemi, CON, Governor of Ekiti State, and his wife, Erelu BC Fayemi, and His Excellency Otumba BC Egbeyemi, Deputy Governor of Ekiti State, for their leadership and for laying a foundation for us to build on. I thank Barrister Paul Omatosho, the chairman of APC, Ekiti State Working Committee members, all members of the State Central Working Committee, our traditional rulers, and all our leaders and members across the state. I thank the Director General of the Biodun Abayomi Oyebanji Campaign Organization, Mr. Siri Fashuyi, and all members of the Campaign Council and Directorate. I also thank our youth groups, our women groups, market women, our volunteers, especially the Bao Anchor Group, and all the support groups at home and in diaspora who have supported us in one way or the other. My gratitude also goes to our security agencies and the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, for superintending over a free and fair exercise and for maintaining the peace in the state. I thank again our revered traditional rulers and the leaders of faith for their prayers, counsel, and guidance. To the ladies and gentlemen of the press, I thank you for being dependable patriots and living up to your high callings. I count on your continued support. Last but not the least, I thank my family. I thank my father, Pa Ezekiel Oyebanji, and my sibling for their unwavering support. I celebrate in memory of my late mother, late Madam Esther Bosede Oyebanji, and honor her memory for all her sacrifices to build character in me. I thank my children for their support and understanding. I also thank my darling wife for trusting me on this journey we have embarked on, and for being the wind beneath my wings, an unwavering pillar of strength. Thank you, Olayemi. I love you and will forever cherish your love and partnership. I use this opportunity to once again convey my condolences to the family of our kingsmen who died in the pockets of pre-election violence. I join my voice with that of all well-meaning Ekiti to the call for full investigation into the incidences and ensure justice is done. In the coming days and weeks, our great party and the incumbent Governor Kayode Fayemi administration will be working towards finishing well and strong and completing key legacy projects. We are immensely proud of the legacy our mentor and our leader will be leaving behind, and thank him for his labor of love and sacrifice for the homeland. In the course of time, we will set up a transition committee in accordance with Ekiti State Transition Law and ensure a seamless transition, and demonstrate our preparedness and clarity of vision with the effectiveness and efficiency with which we will hit the ground running on assumption of office. In the meantime, we will continue our consultation to seek more input into our blueprint for the state, and will, in the coming days, open formal channels through which you can send suggestions to us. We want to continue to listen to you and engage with you, so that as we have promised, together with you, we will keep Ekiti State working. Thank you for listening. God bless Ekiti State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.